sir, good morning. Ayun na nga po no mga sir, kadadating lang po ng order ko galing sa Shopee. Ito na po yung board ng gimbal. I-unbox na po natin siya. Ituturo ko na lang sa inyo kung paano yung hinang pag-connect pag maglalagay po tayo ng bagong board sa 2-axis gimbal. Yan po yung kumpas ng gimbal. Kailangan po nasa tamang lagayan po siya. Hindi po yung basta lang kabit ng kabit. Ito yung power supply niya. 11.1 volts po dapat ang i-supply po natin sa kanya. At saka 10 ampere po dapat. Dito po natin i-connect yung pitch control para ma-up and down mo yung gimbal. Okay? Papalitan lang po natin siya na connection. Kasi iba po yung connection nito. Ang ipapalit ko po ganito. Para po kasi yan dito. Dito natin po i-connect sa may pitch connection. itatry na po natin siya sa remote controller or PX. Itatry na po natin yung up and down niya. Super smooth po yung 2-axis gimbal niya. Yan. Okay, done.
Take it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that my love is fire. His heart was a stone, but then his hands were on. I turned him to gold and it took him higher. Oh, I'll be your daydream. I'll wear your favorite thing. We could taste beautiful. Get drunk on the good life. I'll take you to paradise. Say you'll never let me go. Deep in my bones, I can feel you. Take me back to a time only we knew how to wait. We could waste a night with an old film, smoke a little weed on the couch in the back room. How to wait. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go.
My mama don't like me, she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. But I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on in my head. I'll never see through no way else. If you like the way you look that much, baby, you should go and love yourself.
Say you'll never let me go.
You think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
Say you'll never let me go.
Love